Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem Google Play gift card. So if you have it, if you get it from your grandpa, grandma, or your friend, what you're going to do is first thing, open the Google Play Store and then navigate to your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. All right, now the second thing what you need to do is go to payments and subscription from the menu overlay. So click on that. Now let me show you. Open here. Then what you need to do, you will see redeem code. So click on that. So as you can see now, you can type in the code into it, or you can scan gift card. Uh, So you will need to use phone's camera to capture it automatically. Basically, you will get this code. You will get on physical card. Yeah, on the back. So you need to scratch something of this that you get this code, and then you can type it in or scan gift card. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.